Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to pre-market report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. US markets hit another fresh all-time high. I think yesterday both S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 they both hit fresh all-time high. However, Asian markets are not showing that enthusiasm. Many Asian markets are slightly down. GIF Nifty is also indicating a flat opening. So yesterday, the people were happy to see that FIAs were net buyers, but at the end of the day, that was because of uh, Bharti Airtel block deal. So if you take out the block deal, the FIAs were actually net sellers for more than 3,000 crores. So that's why the GIF Nifty is confused. So it's indicating only flat. However, for the last few days, I think yesterday as well as day before yesterday, markets fell as soon as the markets opened. I think both days markets fell more than 150, 200 points as soon as the market opened. And then towards the end of the day, the markets have recovered. So we will have to see how many more days these FIAs are going to sell as soon as the market open. Usually, if domestic institutions, buy aggressively, then FIs will sell around 1:30 p.m. or 2 p.m. But nowadays they are selling as soon as the market open. So this is a very, very dangerous trend. One good thing is that the Nifty, has not broken 22,700. So 4 times, 5 times, Nifty went below 22,800, but took some kind of a support, and then markets recovered. So anyway, I do have some long position, but my short positions are more than the long positions. So once again, if Nifty falls below 22,800, I'm planning to exit on my long positions. But I will still be in profit only. That's because I have more short positions. Yesterday, some of the significant things, though Nifty closed negative yesterday, though India VIX was higher in the morning, towards the end of the day, India VIX closed lower actually. That is one thing. Second thing, Nifty fell just 14, 15 points yesterday, but Nifty future has fallen about 80 points. So that means Nifty future premium wiped out 65 points. That is bound to happen, but we still have about 6 more trading sessions. So that's happening all of a sudden in just one day. So this much of premium wiping out is surprising. So that means, the probability of upside is very, very limited now. Looking at the open interest for this weekly expiry, even the 23,000 call is being added aggressively. So looks like, it's going to be 22,700 to 23,300 is going to be the range for the next few trading sessions. So some key stocks, keep falling. But I think yesterday night in US markets, HDFC Bank ADR was in green, I think. So that is something good. Otherwise, Infosys and ICICI banks were down. So, we have to keep watching this Reliance Industries and HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. So together, these three stocks, I think, has more than 27, 28% weightage in Nifty. ICICI Bank particularly has been very, very weak in the last few trading sessions. So let us hope once again market, come under selling pressure again. Domestic institutions buy on a close to close basis, not going to make any big move. So that option sellers will make some money because of this time decay. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.